Have you ever wondered which animal has the strongest bite on the planet? It's not the lion. It's not even the great white shark. Today on RookieFactFinder, we're diving into the jaw-dropping world of bite force, measured in PSI, or pounds per square inch, and discovering which creatures can crush bones like biscuits. From the jungle to the deep sea, the results might surprise you. Bite force is the amount of pressure an animal can exert using its jaws, measured in PSI. To give you a quick idea, humans average about 160 PSI. A German Shepherd, roughly 238 PSI. But in the wild, some animals bite with over 1,000, even 3,000 PSI. Let's count down the top 10 strongest biters in the animal kingdom. Some may surprise you. At number 10, we have the majestic lion. With a bite force of 650 PSI, it's certainly powerful, but not the strongest on our list. Lions use teamwork and hunting tactics more than brute bite strength. But when they lock their jaws around prey, it's over. Coming in at number 9, the grizzly bear. This beast bites with a whopping 975 PSI. That's enough to crush bowling balls and bones like dry twigs. A peaceful berry muncher? Maybe. A raw-jawed powerhouse? Definitely. Number 8 goes to the Bengal tiger. Its bite force clocks in at 1,050 PSI, stronger than the lion's. Known for killing with a single neck bite, this silent predator reigns in the dense forests of Asia. At number 7, it's the laughing but lethal hyena. With a bite force of 1,000 PSI, it's the bone crusher of the savannah. They can chew through carcasses that even lions leave behind. Number 6 on our list is the Arctic giant, the polar bear. Its bite force, 1,200 PSI. Designed for survival in icy extremes, this predator can crush through seal skulls and thick blubber with ease. You might be surprised by number 5, the gorilla. Even though it's mostly vegetarian, its jaws deliver 1,300 PSI. That's because they chew tough plant matter for hours. Now imagine if it got angry. Number 4 goes to the stealthy jaguar. It's the only big cat that bites through the skull instead of the neck. With 1,500 PSI, this ambush predator wins the award for precision and power. Taking the number 3 spot is the dangerous hippopotamus. With a monstrous 1,800 PSI bite, it can snap a canoe in half. Hippos may look slow, but they are fast, territorial, and fatally strong. Number 2 is the saltwater crocodile. And this is where it gets extreme. 3,700 PSI makes it the strongest living biter on Earth today. It doesn't chew. It crushes, then spins, then swallows. And at number 1, we go back in time to the prehistoric megalodon. This extinct shark is estimated to have bitten with a staggering 1,000 PSI. That's enough to crush a whale's ribcage. It was the ultimate underwater super predator. Let's hit you with some bonus bite facts. Rapid fire. Wolf, 400 PSI leopard, 300 PSI great white shark, 4,000 PSI size dependent, alligator snapping turtle, 1,000 PSI Tasmanian devil, 553 PSI, strongest relative to its body weight. So, which bite blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RookieFactFinder, your home for wild facts that snap, crackle, and crunch.